Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss ltrim, rtrim, space and trim, how these functions work, what is the syntax of this function, and we are also going to see each function related example in our Excel file. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Well, why I am taking this 4 function at a time? Because these 4 functions are related to each other. What this ltrim do? It returns a string after removing the spaces on the left side of the specified string. Suppose I have written my name Pawan Patidar and I have given one spaces in front of that. Then this L string is going to remove that left side of the space. What this R string will do? Well, if I write my name under any string Pawan Patidar and I have given the space after my name, then this R string is going to remove the space which is after my name. What this string does? Well, it is going to remove every spaces present in our string. Well, what does space do? It does opposite to trim. It is going to fill a string with a specified number of spaces. So let's discuss each one in detail. First of all, ltrim. Here, ltrim function removes the blank spaces from the left side of the string. Here we are going to remove one space from the string. First of all, let's see what is the syntax of this ltrim. So ltrim, this is the syntax. So it is simple. Ltrim you have to write, then in bracket you have to write your string. Here I am going to write my program, which is very simple. I have defined one variable which is var and I have defined its type as a variant. Then I am going to assign one value to it, which is Microsoft VB script. So in this Microsoft VB script, I am going to give lots of spaces in front of this Microsoft VB script on the left side. Then I am going to use my ltrim function and I am going to show this result under my message box and I am going to see what the output would look like. So the output will remove all the spaces from the left side and it will make us see Microsoft VB script only. Now let's discuss rtrim. Well, rtrim function removes the blank spaces from the right side of the string. So whatever ltrim did, it is going to do the just opposite of ltrim. Means it is going to remove the spaces from the right side. So here we are going to take one example. First of all, let's discuss what is the syntax of this variable. Well, what is the syntax of this string function? Well, the syntax is simple. Rtrim. Then we are going to define our string. Here I am going to write the program, which is very simple. First of all, I am going to write this program under my command button. I am going to take one variable and I am going to define its type as a variant. Then I am going to assign one value to it, which is Microsoft VB script. And after writing this Microsoft VB script, I am going to put some spaces. Then I am going to use our rtrim function and see whether it is working or not. I am going to see our output in our message box. So here is our message box after rtrim. So it is going to remove all these spaces and it is going to write Microsoft VB script on. This is the result. This is the trim function. What it does? Well, it removes the spaces from the front side and from the back side. Means it is going to remove the space from the left side and right side of your string. It is not going to remove the space from the middle of this string. So here I'm going to take one variable which is Microsoft VB script. I'm going to give some space in the front and some spaces in the back. Then I'm going to use this trim function and I'm going to see what will be the output of this function. So it is going to remove both the spaces from the front and as well as from the back side. So this is the front side spaces it is going to remove and this is the back side spaces it is going to remove. And what would be the result of this function? Well, the result of this function would be Microsoft VB script and we are going to see the result in our message box. Now let's discuss spaces. Well, what it does, space function fills a string with a number of spaces. If you wanted to put spaces in your string, you can use this space function. Well, here you have to mention space, then number of the spaces which you wanted to put into the string. So here we are going to take our variable 1 as a variant and we are going to assign Microsoft to its value. Then we are going to take another variable which is VB script and its type is variant. Now let's see. First of all, we are going to write variable 1 and we are going to give 2 spaces in between this Microsoft and VB script. Then we are going to write our variable 2. So the output would be Microsoft, then 2 spaces, then VB script. So this is the output. Well, this is all 4 functions we are going to see in our Excel file. So let's open our Excel file and write our program. So here I have written this code under one button and here I have already mentioned that what code is used for which function testing. So first code we are going to execute for ltrim example. So this is the ltrim example code. This is the rtrim example code. This is the trim example code and this is the space example code. Now let's execute this code through pressing this run button. So now whenever we'll be pressing this button, it is going to execute our code one by one. So here I have written my code for ltrim. So I'm going to press this button and I'm going to run the program. Whenever I'm going to press this command button, it is going to give me the result. So what is the after trim result? Well, the after trim result is Microsoft VB script. So here it has removed the spaces from the front side. Now let's write the code for rtrim. So this is the rtrim code, and it is going to remove the spaces from the back side of this Microsoft VB script. So there are many spaces. It is going to remove all the spaces from the right side. Let's run this code. First of all, we are going to press this run button, then we are going to press this command button, and it is going to execute the code, and it is going to give us the result, which is Microsoft VB script. It has removed all the spaces from the back side of this string. Now let's run our trim code and see what would be the result of this trim example code. So how do we run the program? Well, we can press either F5 button or we can press this run button. I'm pressing the F5 button this time. Now I'm going to press this command button, and it is going to execute the code which I have written under this command button. So it is going to give me Microsoft VB script. So it is going to give me after trimming this Microsoft VB script. So it is going to trim from the front as well as from the back. Now let's close this program. Now last, I'm going to write the code for the space example. And space example, I have taken two variable, variable 1 and variable 2. I'm going to write this two variable one after another, and I'm going to include two spaces. So I have mentioned here spaces, space, then in bracket I have mentioned 2. So it is going to insert two spaces whenever it is going to write this variable 1, then variable 2. So let's run this program. Okay, let's press this command button to run the code or under this command button. So here is our output, Microsoft. Then it is going to put two spaces in between this Microsoft and VB script, and it is going to give us this result. Thank you guys for watching this video.